Hello everybody, welcome to today's live stream. We'll be going over BTC, a little bit of ETH, LTC especially, and of course MATIC that we covered in our last live stream. We are seeing a lot of these things play out nicely, so why don't we just dive into it here. So yesterday we got this move down. We were holding this as support, and I posted in the Discord, I was like, yeah, we could pump from here, but me personally, like, I'm not at all interested off of longing off this lone trend line. You know, after it's like have this lackluster move up, it just wasn't very convincing to me. And very nicely we got this move down. We tapped this daily here, this fresh daily, and are currently holding it as support. So a couple things on this one. This could be one of those classic, bounce, hold the 618, bounce, create, market structure change. If we continue to hold the 618, I would consider longing off of here. I'm just not, again, like I'm just not overly eager to hop into longs here just yet. Again, could we bounce and go higher from here? Yeah, sure. I mean, I again, like I would prefer to see, we come up, create market structure change, bounce one more time, we're holding, and, see moves up, and I would maybe look for a long here with my stop loss below here. But again, just like from what I'm seeing, I'm just not overly eager to long, when I look at this, based on where we're at, I think it's abundantly clear that we're targeting this low, right? We're kind of having this half-assed move down, sort of, whatever. I'm just not interested. I think it's pretty clear that we're targeting this low. There's a lot of liquidity. I have this pocket of liquidity here at 16,250. And two, like we have this, here I'll just, we'll go ahead and draw it out. We have the closed naked session point of control as well as the value area low here. If anything, what I would like to see, if we were going to front run this zone and not take out this low right away, which is what I would prefer. I would very much, like for me, what would be really, really ideal. This is the value area low of the range, right? Let's deviate the value area low of the range, reclaim, and then rotate to at least the midline and the point of control at about, 17K, 16,900. To me, that would be awesome, right? Through, and likely what will end up happening is, let's just see here. Yeah, that would be it. So we'll just kind of go like this. Yeah. So through the weekend, range and then come down, hit that target and have it be a deviation and come back up. I would really love that. Again, like, could we bounce here? Sure, but I'm not overly eager to long. I would consider longing off this naked session point of control here. I would consider it. I'm not overly eager to do it, but I would consider it. If, there's a lot of shorts trapped and, if the setup was presented, I would consider it. But my ideal scenario would again be like if we deviated this value area low. Took out this low here, grabbed the liquidity, reclaimed, and then, I would look for just a rotation to the point of control and possibly to, the value area high. Okay. Taking a brief look at Ethereum. We've yet to take out this low. Again, generally not interested until we do so. Like for me, a move down here, grab this liquidity, take out the low, I would then consider looking for some degree of a long. But until then, yeah, I'm not overly interested. This chart to me overall isn't very interesting. For me, like looking at LTC, this right now is my favorite chart. Okay. I really like this one. All right. We have this move up, continuation, back down, and now we're putting in some degree of like a bear flag, finding support on this OB. It looks just ripe. Like what did we do here, right? We have all of these lows here that are looking to get taken out. What do? We just made more of them. So why not cut through all of these lows, tap this weekly, hit the range value area high here and this trend line, reclaim, and then, you know, rotate up and out, right? Get back to the weekly open, basically this upper zone, right? Get back to this upper area after, you know, this move down, deviate the OB here, take out all of these lows. To me, that's a really, really, you know, it's a high probability long. To me, it's a really good long. I have like ladders set in, you know, from, you know, 65 all the way down to this daily. I'm not confident that we'll make it down to that daily, but I do have them all set for in that zone, right? So in the event that we do get this nice, you know, like a capitulation here, at least down to the weekly, reclaim, and then, you know, continuation up to that zone that we're looking for. So yeah, the plan is holding, the OB is holding. Again, could we see like a move up from here? Sure. I would rather short it than long here personally. Whatever move we get to the upside from here, I would rather short than long right here. Okay, because it just, seeing all these lows here and all of these lows here yet to be taken, I mean, it just is begging for, you know, a single candle move down that just cuts through all of them, right? Just one of these, just like this, boom, and then, you know, then we reverse. Taking a look at MATIC. MATIC's playing out really nicely. Since Monday, it's down 10%. So again, something that I said in the live stream about 10%, yeah, 9. Something that I had said in the live stream was that I'm not, because I've been trading BTC for so long, I'm not accustomed to trading such a volatile asset, right? So like, and I'm talking volatile, right? Within a few days, it dropped 40% here, and then had a, you know, a 50% pump. And then from here, you know, a 20% move down. And just this week alone, it's down 10%, right? So it is a very, very volatile asset. And when you come off of trading like 1 to 2% moves, 3-4% moves on BTC, it's very different, right? Because for me, and I had said this in the live stream, like when I look at this, it's pretty clear to me that like we're targeting this low and we want to like take out all of these lows here. So we did it here a little bit. We've taken that one out a little bit more. For me, like I have ladders built into this zone here. You know, and I would look to have my stop here in the event that we target this one, right? And I know that's all pretty wide, and that's why I'm hesitant on like pushing too much on a position until I see the setup itself, because I just don't know how volatile that this asset will get. I mean, if we have like another one of these events or one of the ones from the past here, if we do see something like that, I mean, we could easily drop, you know, down here, right? Or we could straight cut through this OB and get down to, you know, this fair value gap and untapped daily here, which is also the 618. Right? And that would be a really good long zone. Like this would be great. You know, take out this low, take out this low. We've swept all the lows. You know, at this point, I would be very comfortable in longing. If we came all the way down here and had something like that, I would be very comfortable in longing. And I don't doubt that we'd probably get a move back up to this zone. It would be really, really volatile, and it would be, you know, it would be great. Like this would be an ideal target, taking out both of these. In that case, we've swept all the lows here, and we can have some degree of a move up before either continuation down or maybe a little bit more upside. Right? So in the meantime, I'm just keeping an eye on it, and I'm going to be trading with very small positions until I've traded it for some time, and I can get used to, you know, having certain expectations set for the asset, right? As of right now, I don't think this looks great for a bounce. I would be looking for lower at the very least getting into this OB. I did have a limit set at 0.75. So I am laddered in a little bit, but I mean, it's a really small position. It's not, I don't want you to think that I'm laddering in, you know, big or anything here, or that I'm in a position that I would be looking to make a lot of money off of. I'm more or less just kind of, like I said, getting familiar with the asset, trading it a little bit to see what kind of a reaction that we'll get. So I do have more laddered in here, and down here would be like my ideal zone. So we'll just kind of have to wait and see what happens. with it. But from the live stream, I mean, so far so good. I honestly, since the live stream, we're already down. You know, what day was that here? Wednesday. So you can see that this is the move that we've had down since the live stream, right? We had all of these lows here, and I was like, oh yeah, I definitely think we're going to be going lower, and we most certainly are, right? And I don't think it stops here. So we'll just have to wait and see what happens. I will be I'll be on and off in the Discord a little bit throughout the weekend, but I'll definitely be back at it next week. We'll do our Monday market update. We'll have our Wednesday live stream. And then I'm going to be doing a I'll do possibly my Friday on Thursday, because I will be going out of town Thursday to Tuesday. So I will be gone for 5 days. That isn't to say that I won't be doing some posts here and there or making some updates, but for the most part, I will be on vacation. Look at that too. Yeah, just took out the low again. Yeah, send it lower. So yeah, we'll just like I said, I'll keep you guys updated best I can throughout the weekend here and throughout the next week. I hope you guys enjoy your New Year's Eve, that you start your year off in a very positive and exciting way. I'm really looking forward to 2023. I'm really looking forward to getting past the holiday season and getting back into our routine, where we have those video updates, that we're trading more actively in the group again. I'm really looking forward to it, and I hope you guys are too. Enjoy your weekend and have a happy new year.